Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to turn your Wix online store into a subscription business, offering cool recurring products or subscription boxes, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through setting up subscription products on Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to let customers subscribe and get regular deliveries, unlocking a steady stream of revenue for your store. Let's dive right in. First up, make sure you have your e-commerce website set up in Wix. For this tutorial, I'm using a standard Wix template that already has a store built in as a starting point. If you're using a different template, no worries. The process should look very similar, and you'll have access to the store dashboard either way. Now, once you're in your Wix dashboard, head over to the Store section, then click on Products. Here's where you manage everything you sell. At this point, you can either add a brand new product to make it a subscription, or like I'm showing today, you can let an existing product become a subscription item. Sticking with an existing product is a great way to add recurring revenue to your current lineup. Think anything customers might want again and again, like coffee, beauty supplies, or snacks. Pick the product you want and give it a click so you're inside its settings. Now, here's where you need to pay attention. Scroll down through the product details and keep an eye out for an option that says Create a Subscription. Sometimes, these advanced features are tucked a little farther down, so don't worry if you have to scroll a bit. It's there. You'll notice a small note here. Subscriptions are considered an advanced business feature in Wix. This means if you haven't upgraded to a Wix Business Premium plan, your customers actually won't be able to check out with a subscription product just yet. You can still set everything up, but I do recommend upgrading when you're ready to actually launch, because subscription sales can be a real game changer for your business. All right, let's get into setting up the subscription itself. First, you'll need to fill in some basic info. Give your subscription a name. This is what your customers will see, so make it specific and enticing. For example, if you're selling coffee, maybe call it Coffee of the Month. This helps buyers know exactly what they're signing up for. You can also add a tagline. Think of this as a quick highlight of the benefits. Maybe something like subscribe and save 15%. This is where you can sweeten the deal and grab their attention. Next, let's set up the key subscription details. You'll choose how often the subscription repeats, whether that's every month, every 2 weeks, or whatever schedule fits your product best. Just select what works for your customers and for you. Recurring options create that reliable, steady income that so many small businesses love. If you want, you can even set an expiry, so maybe the subscription only runs for 6 months, or for a special limited time offer. Now, it's time to think about pricing and discounts. Set your price for the subscription. This should reflect both the value of your product and the convenience you're providing your customer. You can even set a discount, either a flat amount or a percentage, to make your subscription more appealing. Think about it like a thank you for committing to multiple deliveries and a way to nudge hesitant buyers over the edge. Double-check all the details. Once you're happy, just click Apply. That's it. The subscription is ready to go live as soon as you're ready, and once your site is on the right business plan, customers will be able to start subscribing straight from your store. And there you have it. Your product is now a subscription item on your Wix store. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other e-commerce features you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next Wix how-to. Thanks for watching and good luck selling those subscription boxes.